Welcome back everyone to my channel Athar Talks. I am Athar Sharkey, and after a whole year we are back to the thing which we all love at the least, at the top, and it is the sport review of Pro Kabaddi League. And starting with which team, that was the main question for me, that from which team should I start the squad review. And in my mind came the seasoning. We all know if we are making a food and we are trying to cook something, then at that time we give it a seasoning, a really hard seasoning. That's why I am going to be starting with Tamil Thalaiva. Because we all know the spices from the South India, spices from the Tamil Thalaivas. That is why we are going to be starting with Tamil Thalaivas. And here we are once again for the squad review in the 2025, and we started it obviously last year, and you all guys really loved it. I got a lot of views and the support from you guys. So this year as well we are going to be continuing it. Pro Kabaddi League has already been started from 2014, and this year it is going to be the 12th season. Auction was over. The names in Tamil Thalaivas are really huge. It can be the raiding demons for Tamil Thalaivas, because they have got high capability raiders this season. This season not even a single team is one-sided. So that is, after all this yapping, we will start directly into our squad review. Starting with the Raiders, we got Vishal Chahal, who is retained by the team, who had got 30 raid points last season, and an extra and a supportive. We all know the formation. It is either 5-2 or 3-4. Like 3 are defenders and 4 are the Raiders if you are more aggressive, and if you are in the defensive side, it is going to be 5 defensive players and 2 Raiders. But here they have got the sustainability. That's why they have both the players, defenders as well as Raiders. Talking of the next player, it is going to be Moin Shafagi, this outsider being a charm for Tamil Thalaivas. A really hard player last season, a really hard raider last season, who had got 113 raid points, which is an astonishing, whopping more than century. That is a good thing. That is also going to be an superiority raider for the Stars coming up next in the raiding. Then comes the big name, a really big name, Pawan Kumar Sehrawat, who was the one winning for Bengaluru Bulls in the season 6, and because of him they had won. The raiding machine Pawan Kumar Sehrawat. Last season he had got 134 raid points. Can he still? And also for the Telugu Titans, last season he had played, and Telugu Titans had reached almost the semi-finals. Like a really good hustler for Telugu Titans. This was the man because of whom Telugu Titans has almost reached semi-finals. So can he make Tamil Thalaivas also reach the finals, or even make them win this time? It can be a charm. Let's get to the next raider. It is going to be the only god of raiding for Jaipur Pink Panthers. And yes, I am talking about Arjun Deshwal. You got that right. What do you think about the Raiders? You can tell me in the comments. Until that, let's come back to his stats. It is going to be a whopping 230 raid points last season in the season 11 for Jaipur Pink Panthers. They had a hard luck last season. They did not even qualify, but it is going to be changing for him this season. And take in mind that one more point is necessary because of the retaining of Arjun Deshwal in this team, because of the buying of Arjun Deshwal in this team. I forgot to mention that for how much money Pawan Kumar Sehrawat was bought. He was bought for 60 lakhs, being bought for more than 50 lakhs continuously every time, and he was bought for 2.6 crore. He is the most expensive player till this in the history of Pro Kabaddi League. So that is what changes him. And if you see his last few matches and last few performances, that is going to be a really good thing, because I have noticed that he is the one, he is the master of all, and because of him it was the raiding demons. That's why I'm calling this team raiding demons. And if we talk about Arjun Deshwal, he is bought for 1.4 CR. These numbers are huge in the rating side. You also need defenders, but that is what we are going to be covering next up. Arjun Deshwal had got 238 points, and covering more than 208 points makes you a good raider. They have got Arjun Deshwal, Pawan Sehrawat and Moin Safagi. These three raiders are one-sided going to be enough for the rating side for Tamil Thalaivaas. And if we talk about the defenders, here the list is never the ending, but here we need to start with someone, Nitesh Kumar, who had got 79 tackle points. Yes, 79 tackle points. That is a huge number. That means defense is good as well. But you can't be a one-man army unless you are Shadlu. That's a different joke. But right now, here, Nitesh Kumar had got 79 rate points, and that is what makes a good defender for the team of Tamil Thalaivaas. If we talk about Anuj has got 15 tackle points, but here tackle points does not matter. The number of defenders, the number of things you got. You know, Bruce Lee once said, you must not master 10,000 types of punches, but rather master one punches 10,000 times. Like that, I am saying here, it is completely opposite in the Kabaddi. You don't need only one special defender like had happened to Pawan Kumar Sehrawat in Telugu Titans in season 9. He was the only raider. Defense was clearly empty. Everything was off. Because of that, Telugu Titans were not even qualified at the dead last 12th number position. But here, if you would have plenty of defenders, then it could be a good thing. Here we got the next up, coming up, Ashish Umay, who had got 25 tackle points last season, who is going to be a charm for the defender. And here, Nitesh and Ashish, who are going to be the this year's, what we say, that twins that would cover the defense. You know, every time there's a formation of a duo which covers up the whole defense, and this time they are going to be Nitesh and Ashish in the defending side for Tamil Thalaivaas. If we talk about an all-rounder, it is going to be none other than Himanshu, who has got 10 tackle points and 48 raid points, which is a really good thing as well. And they have got the new supplies as well, Mohit, Alizar, who we know Iranis are the ones that back up in every team. Last time Moin Safagi was new, and he crossed 100 points in raid points. That is why Irani players are bought most of the time. And here we are seeing another one, and as a defender, so it is going to be, if we talk about the overall stats of Tamil Thalaivaas, it is going to be defenders are really good. That means defense is plenty. You got equal defense, but raiding, I am going to be saying the nickname Raiding Demons. You all got it right, Demons, because we got three of the legends here, and out of which two had already won at each time, and can Moin Safagi be the winner in this team. So if we talk about the last thing, the final thing is going to be who is the coach this season. It is none other than Sanjeev Balyan, who was the coach of Jaipur Pink Panthers in season 9, and at that time we know Jaipur Pink Panthers won 2 times in the season 1 and season 9, and in season 9 this guy was the coach. So that means in season 12 he is here the coach, and that's why Arjun Deshwal is bought for Tamil Thalaivaas. He knows the potential of this guy. Because of this, you know, a good coach can make any player rise. Just like Sehrawat, he had made Pawan Kumar Sehrawat rise in Bengaluru Bulls in season 6. That is my expectations, that this team can even qualify till the season semi-finals and even be the winners. Because this season, this is the game of unpredictability this year. Last year it was clear. I had even told in my last video, you can go check it out if you don't think I am telling the truth. I had said Haryana Steelers has more than 50% chance of winning this year, this trophy, and that was the thing which happened. And I had also said that Patna Pirates would be the team which would come into the finals, and that happened as well. This season I am saying that this team could get in the semi-finals. Let's see if this gets true. It was all for this, but starting with a spiciness, I have done Tamil Thalaivaas. What do you think about this video? What do you think about the Raiders? Comment down below and tell your favorite Raiders name as well, and comment Tamil OP if you like this video.